This is Silly Willy. He is very silly. He even wears his hat upside down. Let's see what Silly Willy likes to do each month. January and February. Where Silly Willy lives, January and February are very cold. But Silly Willy likes to sunbathe. March. In March, it rains a lot. Silly Willy loves to have picnics with his friends. April and May. In April and May, it is spring. Lots of flowers grow near Silly Willy's house then. He picks all of the flowers and makes flower soup. Yuck. June, July and August. In June, July and August, it is hot and sunny. Silly Willy loves to have barbecues. He invites all of his friends over for barbecued ice cream. September and October. In September and October, all of the leaves fall from the trees. Silly Willy always tries to stick them back on. November. It is often stormy in November. Silly Willy likes to fly his kite in stormy weather. December. Christmas is in December. Silly Willy loves Christmas. Every Christmas, Silly Willy tries to help Rudolph pull Santa's sleigh, but he always gets stuck in a tree. Silly Willy.